Hey y'all, it's your girl Renee from Waisted Boutique LLC, and today we're taking you behind the scenes at our Bead Vendor Event that we recently had in Milledgeville, Georgia. The energy, y'all, was so high. The vibes, y'all know, they are always on point. And you already know it's about to be a beautiful day of empowerment, intention, and fast-paced fun. So as soon as we set up, the flow starts. Waist beads are strung, the sage is laid out, and before we could even breathe, the crowd was coming in strong. There's just something about these events with the women walking by, their eyes light up when they see the beads sparkling in the sun. Now, some already know exactly what they want, but others have to stop and ask, what do waist beads mean? And that's our moment to connect and educate. Because it's not just about beauty, it's about grounding, femininity, awareness, intention, boosting confidence, sex appeal, and if you're just into it for adornments, that too. And that's why we do what we do. Watching women get tied in real time is the best part. Some came solo, some came with their girlfriends, but no matter who they were and who they were with, they left feeling more in tune with themselves. From the tie to the smile in the mirror, every moment mattered. We're not just selling beads. Let's just be clear. We're not just selling beads because, of course, you can get beads from anywhere. What we're doing is sharing a piece of peace. And baby, when the music is flowing, the laughter is bouncing, and the beads are popping. Ooh, the beads are popping. It's a whole vibe out here. One thing we always say, it's more than a transaction. These are connections. We talk about self-love, womanhood, healing, softness, even at events, all while tying your waist beads. We even have women to come back. Especially at this event, we had a few women to come back and say, girl, these beads changed the way I looked at my body. They had to take one last little sneak peek in the mirror before they left the event. And that's basically what this journey is about. Not just looking good, but feeling good inside and out. And yes, we definitely had the sage burning. And a lot of women appreciated that because we were constantly cleansing the air. Even though it was windy outside, we were cleansing that energy because we were tying a lot of different women. So we wanted to make sure that the energy was all good. We met so many amazing women today. We tied dozens of beads and created unforgettable moments. Every event like this reminds me of just how powerful sisterhood really can be. Milledgeville. Listen, thank y'all for having Waisted Boutique LLC in the city. Y'all showed up and showed out. We felt the love and we gave it right back. Now listen, if you couldn't make it to this event, don't worry. You can still get this experience. Visit us at www.waistedboutiquellc.com to shop our waist beads or to book your own private appointment in our intimate studio. Yes, yes. We have our own private studio, Waist Bead Studio. It's Middle Georgia's only premier luxury waist bead studio, and we're located in Warner Robins, Georgia. Trust me, it's a vibe you don't want to miss. We'll see you soon, and remember, every bead tells a story. Let's just begin to write yours together. Book an appointment and we'll bead you soon.